In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial how to apply for your birth certificate and get it in less than 14 days. So to apply for it, all that you have to do is to open your browser, your Google browser, and then type in BDR and then hit enter. This is the official homepage of the birth and death registry, and then you open it. They are saying that to apply for our services online, what you have to do is to go to www.ghana.gov.gh. So let's go there, ghana.gov.gh, and then hit enter. So this is the site, the ghana.gov.gh. This is where you are going to continue your application for the birth certificate. All that you have to do is to come down here. Over here, we have the birth, death, and the marriage. Apply for birth, death, and marriage and divorce certificate. Just open this one. After you open it, this page will be opened, and then we have the birth and death registry. So just open the birth and death registry. When you open it, this site will be open. Just take some time and then read through all this. It is very important. And then when you look down here, have apply, and then just hit on the apply. After hitting on apply, this page will be opened. I want you to take your time and then look at it. So it says select your branch. So me, I am in Ashanti, so I'm going to select Ashanti region. And then you have to search for the branch. Me, I'm in Tepa, so I will type in Tepa. After typing in Tepa, this will be opened and then you choose it. What you have to do is to click on continue. Then this page will be opened. We have the general services, we have the late registration of birth, and then we have the registration of death. We are interested in the late registration of birth, so just click on it. They have it in all categories. They have the birth certificate from 1 year to 5 years, which is 10 cedis, as this time that I'm recording this video. And then we have 5 years and above, which is 20 cedis. But if you make any late changes, it is going to cost 50 cedis. Okay, so I want it fast. All that I have to do is to pick the late change. So you just have to select this one. And then when you look top here, we have pay, and then you click on the pay. If you already have an account, all that you have to do is to just sign in. Just put in the email address you used to sign in, and then the password is here. You can also log in with your phone number. If you use your phone number, just put your phone number here and the password, and then just sign in. If you're applying for the first time, we have sign up here. Just click on the sign up. And then let's type in the name and then last name. If you have other name, to put it here, and then make sure to input your mobile number. The number that you are going to put here should be a mobile money line, because if it is not a mobile money line, it is not going to go through. They are going to let you to pay through that same number. So just put in any mobile money number. Okay, it should be a mobile money, an active mobile money line. After putting it here, what you have to do is to pick an email address. After putting in your email address, just pick a password. After putting in your password, what you have to do is to just check this box to agree. And then you press on the continue to go. You have to save your password, so save it. Now they have sent the verification code to the number that you inputted here. So just put in the verification number. My verification code is 903650. Then you hit on the continue. So you will be logged in. And when you logged in, all that you have to do is to go to your dashboard. So I am in my dashboard right here. So just go to the dashboard. So in your dashboard, this is what you are going to see, the invoice of the amount that you selected to pay. So me, I have it here, and then I have not paid yet. What I have to do is to just click on pay now. So if I click on pay now, they are going to give me the form to fill. So I'm going to tell you the things that you are going to expect when filling the form. When applying for the birth certificate online, you are going to need any of these necessary documents. That is your weighing card if you are having it with you. It is also called notification card. Your baptismal certificate. It is issued to you by a church that you attend. And then if you have the old birth certificate too, it is going to be necessary. Okay. And then you are going to fill a form. And then on the form, they are going to ask you of your name, your gender, whether you are male or female, and then the town that you are from, your hometown, and then the place of birth. No, note the hometown and the place of birth might not be the same, and then give the correct date of birth, please, and then give an active mobile number, because they are going to call you when it is ready. And then you are going to provide your parents' information, that is your father's name, whether alive or dead, you have to provide it, and then your mother's name, whether alive or dead, you are going to provide it as well. Your educational level might be required, and then the occupation that you are in, the work that you are doing, and then currently the email address that you are using. And then since it is a Ghanaian birth certificate, you should be a Ghanaian. That is the ultimate requirement before you can apply. And then the birth certificate, hey, it does not expire as of now. But the duration, people also ask me, how long does it take? It depends on the workload during the time that you applied for the birth certificate. During the time that you apply for the birth certificate, if we have numerous applicants, your birth certificate might delay. But if they are having less workload, you can have it within 2 weeks. That is 14 days, as early as 14 days. But if the workload is very high, it can delay as long as 3 months or 90 days, but you can get it fast. What you have to do is that you have to visit the nearest birth and then death registry near you. Just talk to them and then know exactly what to do. Because in Ghana here, if you want things fast, it is better to approach them face to face.